Hi, Randall. So we're gonna see if we can find Echo 360. So I went to the college site here, and if I remember right, it's in Insider and somewhere here. Uh, yeah, you're probably gonna see it before I do. You'll be like, click that button right there. Um, See, I thought it was right up here along the top. Moodle, Office, password, web advisor, colleague. I would have sworn it was right up there. Okay. Let's see. Let's scroll down. Okay, hold on just a second. Let me find it. Okay, so yeah. So down here in the How Do I, there's a How Do I Echo 360, which is probably actually better than what I'm about to do. But let's see. I'm gonna go there and see if maybe this has a link. So these are all videos up there. Where is the link to it? To the app. Yeah, okay, that didn't help me either, did it? Okay. Okay, so I'm back again. All right, so here it is. Go to Echo360, echo360.org. Boom. And log in with school email. Not mine. Use yours. I mean, I guess you could use mine. Choose institution. Let's see. We're at Wilkes Community College. Submit. Yeah, I think that password's incorrect. So I need to give it, because I think I've changed my password since it was saved here. In fact, I can guarantee it. So let's do my new password. Let's sign in. Yeah, sure. Update. Okay, so now I'm in Echo 360, and from here, I'm supposed to be able to download it somewhere. So I remember this. There are downloads. Personal capture. I think, which one is it? Probably this one here. Universal. Oh, this looks like the icon that I actually have on my desktop, on my laptop. Yeah, I'm going to go for this personal capture. So I'm going to grab the Windows download, although this one looks... Personal mode is a standalone version, blah, 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 blah. Any combination of video, desktop, and audio can be recorded. I don't know, that one sounds really good. But I'm going to grab personal capture. I think that's the one that I've used in the past. And so we'll download that. Okay, so we got that downloaded. Let's run it. And yeah, I know you know how to install things, but I'm going to do this anyway. Because yeah, while I eat chips. I'll let you listen to me chew my chips. Where'd it go? Did it die? Oh, there it is. Next. Yeah, accept. Blah, blah. Next. Sure, go wherever you want. I don't really care. Next. And next. I'll watch this not be what I think it is. Watch me have the wrong application. Yeah. Yeah, no, don't launch it. Yeah, give me one of those, though. One thing when you do launch it, if you have... Yeah, I don't think that's the one I use, actually. Oh, well. Let's assume it is. You've actually got to close Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and... Well, actually, let me download. I guess I can't download and close Chrome at the same time, can I? That'd be weird. Okay, well, I'm going to close Chrome. I'm going to let this finish downloading. Then I'm going to close Chrome. And because if you don't have Chrome closed when you launch Echo 360, you're going to get a notification telling you, hey, Chrome needs to be closed. So, yeah, always close Chrome first. Okay, so I'm back. I got Chrome closed. So I'm going to go ahead and launch 360. I wonder if I can video capture while I'm video capturing. I don't think I've ever tried that before. Oh, yeah, this looks right, yeah. Okay, so here's your your screen for this. So you can set which microphone you want to use. I can use, for instance, my webcam. It's down there. Or I can use this thing right here. Yeah, either one. Which screen do you want to be displaying? I can, primary, or I can do... I bet they're going to fight. I bet only one of them can really do the webcam at one time. I bet. So I'm going to do primary display for screen capture. For webcam down here, I'll go ahead and I should be able to select. There we go. I'll select my webcam, which should give me like a little thumbnail, kind of like what I'm actually doing. Except once again, I don't think they can both be doing it at one time. I'm pretty sure they can't actually. And then when I'm ready to record, I'll just go ahead and record right here. I can also log in, which I really should do. Ooh, that died bad. Okay, so I'm gonna log in up here, and for the login, it's actually gonna go through authentication through Google here, which I don't know. I guess that ties into why if Chrome is open, it can't like authenticate entirely correctly or something. I guess I don't know. It's weird. So yeah, back to Wilkes. Submit. Always open. Sure. Open. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm authenticated. I'm logged in there. Do I have any interesting settings here? You do Twitch. You know when. Yeah, you got settings there. Whoop-de-doo. Big deal. So you can change some of those. Let me go get out of there. Oops, primary display is going to be my primary display. And I'm going to try this again. Although I really don't think they can both. Well, I don't know. Why can't they both get a signal from it at one time? But it doesn't look like they can. Should be able to. Oops, sorry. Don't worry about the auto publish. Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to go back to just doing that, and I'm not going to set this. And it's up to you really if you want to do that or not. Most of the training I've been to, they say that we should. They say that we should do that so that students can see us and so that it feels less like a talking screen, I guess. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and record something really quick and see if it crashes everything. So it's going to do this little countdown. It's going to minimize right down there. And if you have two monitors, that'll be annoying because you're probably starting it on another monitor. So you can just pop it back up and like move it to your other monitor if you want, like so. Ha! And whenever you're done, you can pause or you can go ahead and stop it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my awesome recording there. And it will come down to here. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just publish this. So right here's my publish button. And I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this Hi Randall. Hi Randall. And where do I want to upload it to? So personal library is, well, it's just my personal library. I can't actually link my personal library to any Moodle course. But if I go down here and I click that, you'll see here's, well, there's all my classes on Moodle. You know, there's Modeling 2 for 2019 Spring. They don't really seem to be in any particular order, which is kind of awkward. I'm hoping that I have there's MMO. I didn't know we did MMO programming in spring 2019. I wonder how that class went. That's weird. Programming. I'm hoping that I've got the animation class here, and I don't. Oh well. SGD project. 113. Yeah, I didn't see the animation class. Did you? Yeah, like you could tell me if you saw it. Level design. I'm not seeing it. I guess because I'm not the lead or whatever of it. But yeah, so your classes should show up here. If they don't, just do a help desk ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in 3D modeling, just so you get so you can see something. Go ahead and upload this. So it should upload fairly quickly. I don't know why it's queuing there. Okay, so I'll pause this while my incredibly slow internet struggles to up. Oh no, did it finish? Oh, it finished. Never mind. I won't pause it for long then. So I will go ahead and go into Moodle. And while I'm doing that, if you do end up, I don't know if you've ever done it before, but if you do end up needing to do a help desk ticket, just go to the main page, Faculty Staff Insider, and help desk is right here. And you log in with your standard login info. So your login ID, your cool super secret password, and log in. And while that page works, I'm going to come back to Moodle. I'm going to log into Moodle. And let's see, where did I put that in modeling, didn't I? So I'm going to go into modeling. Oh, you can access modeling. Yeah, so that was a good choice. Yeah. Yeah, I keep forgetting that you have access to the modeling one. Okay, so I'm in the help desk system. I want to make a new ticket. So have a problem, boink, and you fill it out. So like in that particular situation, information technology, give it a subject, and Echo 360 is right there. And then you just say, hey, my rigging class isn't linked to my Echo 360, or when I'm using Echo 360, I don't see my rigging class in the drop-down list. Okay. All right, so back here. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this in my final project section because this seems like part of the final project. So I'll go to create learning activity, and from here use external tool. And once I've got that, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say Randall is bestest, and pre-configured tool. Which tool am I using? From this drop-down list, select Echo 360. Over here in privacy, turn off accept grades from this tool. As far as I know, it's not actually going to impact your grade book if you leave it on, but everybody says go ahead and turn it off. So it's like, is there a possibility it's going to do something? I guess maybe there is. I don't know. If you want to do a description under show more, this is a description. I'm going to go ahead and display that on the course like so. And yeah, okay, so I'm pretty much set up there. I'll save and return to course, or I could have saved and displayed and save myself a step here. So now go ahead, go back to it. Randall is bestest, go there. And it's going to show up, and it's going to want to know what video do you want to link there. So link to section home will actually take you to, if I do that, it will take them to all the videos that are in that class. I don't want that. If your class doesn't show up here, you could do link to a different section, and you could select which one you want linked to there. That's obviously not what I'm wanting to do at the moment. So I'm going to stay right there. So I'm going to hit link to classroom. And here's all the videos that I've already put into Echo 360 for the 214 class. So I'll scroll down here to the bottom, and there's Hi Randall, and I'll go ahead and link it. Hit my link content button. And now when I go back, which I could have done right there, but I didn't want to. And let's go ahead and make sure that other people don't watch this. I'm going to hide it. Okay, so now when I click that, there's my video, and I can play. And if you have two monitors, I'll stop that. They can do stuff over here. I don't really know exactly what they can do over there. Something, I guess. I don't know. Well, there's no views to switch between. So if I had my webcam down here, they could like toggle which one's the big one and which one's the small one. Change their quality, change their speed if they like. The only thing I'm not sure of, what's this do? Never mind, I'm sure of it now. I was going to say the only thing I'm not sure of is how to make it full screen. But yeah, there it is. That looks like full screen to me, so I'm going to call that full screen. Okay, so hey, there we go. That is using Echo 360, so hopefully that will take care of those